What are your thoughts of this new teaching of loving people into the kingdom of heaven? Kind of thoughts on Todd White or Heidi Baker? Well, I'm not going to talk about them specifically because I don't, I mean, I know who they are, but I don't have enough information to make a determination on who they are, and what, what they're teaching, whether it's good or bad. I'm more or less familiar, but loving people into the kingdom of heaven. Well, it's certainly a good start, right? They will know you're my disciples by your love, right? So how will people know that we are disciples of Yeshua? By our love, not by whether we can wrangle theology and whether we can win in a debate. Those things just really don't impress people most of the time. There may be a very small percentage of the population that is excited about debates and really getting kind of the heavy hand in. Probably by loving people is a really good way to go. Love is ultimately what God wants us to do so that we would fulfill the law of Christ, and that we would be kind to people, right? I mean, that is really the essence of the Torah. It's all about love. Again, it's been misconstrued as being something different, but it's all about love. That's what the commandments are all about. How do I love God? Well, here's how. How do I love my neighbor? Here's how. And if you have any questions, well, how do I love my neighbor in this situation? Well, the Torah gives you the instructions on how to do that. So um, I'd say love people. I would say love people. I think you can't really go too wrong if you're really loving people. So